Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here, back with another awesome video. We are officially made it through tech, but what happened was the two Kyosho Mad Crushers didn't make it because the wheels were a little bit too small, but we'll definitely run them next week. But we did make it in with the ground pounder and the TXT, so let's show you some of the trucks that are here at this event. Guys, that was some of the trucks at this event, so let's get going, show you the track demo clip, and then let's roll the clips of my dad, and then eventually me, so let's go.
So we would say, drivers ready? Yeah. These red lights would come on, watch for green. I'll flip it around. Green lights come on and the race is off. You take your inside turn first, you got flashing red lights, man. Around the back. And back over the crush cars for a second time. And that is the track. Wow. Same exact thing in the other side. Down there, the finish line is those yellow lines there, exactly, where the checkered flag poles are.
Yeah. Next one. No.
It's like taking,
Terminator and Buzzkill. Terminator and Buzzkill. On deck, Monster Energy Orange taking on Snakebite.
Unless it's like contest and driving. Yeah.
My dad spins the tires.
Just have the six stance and stuff. You're racing.
Alright, on deck, Monster Energy Orange and Snakebite. Right now, Terminator and Buzzkill are ready. Red lights are on, watch for green.
I like it.
Good looking start for Ethan and Buzzkill.
Come on, open her up, open her up.
Takes her on that turn. Oh, Buzzkill, Terminator with a hard hit.
Come on, go for it.
Still going. Roll TXT1.
Where's he? He can like test run me right now. Oh, right there. Just go for it. Go for it. He's gonna have to drift.
Yeah.
All right, drivers ready? Watch for green. Whole shot to Maniac. TXT Terminator sliding around trying to get a turn. Maniac's got a lead. Live turn for that TXT1. Maniac gets the win. Terminator finishing up one. Practice run. They'll be back. Wild Digit is that.
Yeah, guys, what you guys saw there was my dad's qualifying rounds. He had 2 solid rounds, you know, very solid. He finished. But me, on the other hand, I got my ass kicked twice, and I had nothing but failures. So let's roll the clips.
Watch for green. Solid axle, big power down the straightaway. Turbo Tyler playing catch up. He pulls a wheelie. Oh, he rolls over. And Matt's going to be moving on. Nice run, Matt.
Yeah, guys, that was the clip of me running. Obviously, it was a fail. You know, I pulled a wheelie right in the wall, which messed up the steering trim for the second clip. But unfortunately, the second clip has corrupted. I don't know why. I had a couple clips corrupt on me. That's why I'm making these videos here and not there. So yeah, what happened was, at the second run, my steering trip got messed up. So what happens was, I just went straight left automatically, hit every obstacle possible, and went out with the big failure. But then I had a magic idea. You guys can see right here, I had a magic idea. Stop pulling wheelies, so I put a little bit of weight in the front, make it heavier, and maybe get a little bit more steering. So let's try it out. Yeah, guys, what you ended up seeing there was my magic idea of adding some weight in the front, keep the wheels down. But next thing you know, we were in eliminations round. It started, and here Terminator and Turbo Tyler, and we were in elimination round. So it was a good old, you know, grudge match. Me and my dad versus each other. It was awesome round, very fun. But I just wish me and him could get a different person to have a bigger chance of getting more points. So let's roll the clips.
Terminator and Turbo Tyler.
I'm racing. I'm racing. But not right now.
Cameras are ready. Red lights are on. Watch for green, driver.
Which one I could choose?
No more qualifying for points. You win, you're in. You lose, you go home. Right now, Turbo Tyler is taking the lead. Negotiating the final third. Turbo Tyler moving on.
Hey guys, I had my first solid run, very awesome run. And so I moved on. I beat my dad, so he was out of the mains. So yeah, it was a solid run. And my next clip I show you guys was me versus another guy. And I tried to play catch up in the straightaway. I went full send, and next thing I knew, I forgot about brakes. So I nailed the brake, I pulled over. It just tumbled over. It was my mistake, very stupid, but we will never make that again. So let's roll the clips.
Drivers on the green.
This is your first time out. You tried.
You tried, exactly.
You kept it on 4 wheels. You didn't flip it.
Good strong proposal. Start. Roll across. Barefoot. Lead. Turbo Tyler wheelies off the second jump. Final turn for Barefoot. And Barefoot's going to moving on. Good run for the big red guy. Barefoot.
Yeah, guys, that was the results of the first point race. There's many more to come. Very awesome race, very awesome day. But before I logged off, I would like to say thank you guys for 150 subscribers. The channel has grown very well, and the 150 subscriber special is coming soon. So stay tuned. Turbo Tyler.